Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook account onto your Shopify store. So once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard right here, I want you to go onto the address on the search bar up here and then just search Facebook. And then it'll pop up right here, Facebook and Instagram. Just click that. Once you're here, let's just click on install. Now wait for it to load. It'll only take just a little second. Great. Now that it's loaded, you'll see that it can access personal data and you can view and edit stored data as well. No problem. Let's just install. Once it's installed, wait for it to load, and then it'll prompt you with the menu like this. Connect your Shopify store to Facebook and then Instagram. Press get started, and then it'll prompt you to connect your account right here. It'll open up a new window, and then I'm just going to continue as my Facebook account. And with that, now our account is connected to Shopify. From here, you can set your business assets, your data sharing, and your terms and condition as well. Once that's done, just submit for review, and it'll be done.